Welcome back, friends. I am so happy you are here. Today I have the funnest craft, and we're going to start with some poster board as well as some colorful markers. You can easily use crayons or coloring pencils, whatever you want. I'm going to use this round bowl as a shape to create the craft. I'm going to use some white string, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And then I'm also going to use a pencil, a permanent marker, or a regular marker would be fine. I'm going to use my scissors as well. All right, the first thing we want to do is we want to trace the circle onto the poster board. Now, my daughter is with me, so she's going to be creating one side and I'll be creating the other side. So we're going to trace it and then we are going to cut it using our scissors. Don't worry about it being perfect, as always. Don't worry about that. Just cut it as close to the line as you can. Now is when the fun starts. We are going to start creating whatever design we want, but we want it to be colorful. So she's going to make her own. I'm going to make my own. And then we are going to pick which side we're going to put on our craft. So we're just going to add here some shapes and designs in whatever color we want. We are now going to take cardboard and we're going to trace the same bowl, and I'm going to use my scissors to cut it. Now, at first we thought that just using the poster board would work and that we would be able to create 2 spinners, but we weren't able to. So we're just going to choose whatever side we like best from our creation, and we're going to hot glue it to each side of the cardboard. Now, I'm using hot glue, but again, you can use double-sided tape, you can use glue stick, whatever you want. Once they are nicely there, I'm going to trim just some excess cardboard that you can see on the sides just to clean it up a little bit. And then we're going to carefully poke some holes in the center, 2 of them, about 1 inch apart. I'm going to use my screwdriver, but you can just use whatever you have on hand. Just be very careful when you're doing this. Now I'm going to thread the white ribbon. This is just jute string. And we're just going to thread it from one side to the other and then tie the ends. Now we're going to place the circle in the center and we're just going to start spinning it just like this. And then when you let it go, it starts to spin. How fun is this? I'm going to do it again several times. So you just want to roll it around, just like you see me doing here. And then once it stops, it starts spinning the opposite way. And you really see those designs. And now again, we tried with a poster board. It did not work. So you have to have cardboard. Love the way this is. How fun. I'm going to have a still picture here for you. I would love to know what you think of this craft. I love anything that is interactive and that you can use over and over again. But let me know down in the comments. And as always, I have another video here for you with tons more crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.